Fatima is asking that she heard if you vomit, it breaks your fast. Is that true? The answer is yes. But that's when you intentionally make yourself vomit, not when it happens naturally. If you're feeling sick during Ramadan and then you vomit, it doesn't break your fast. But if you do it yourself, then, or you make yourself gag and then you vomit, then this does break your fast. And there's an authentic hadith of the Prophet ﷺ where he said, whoever intentionally makes himself vomit, then he has broken his fast. Now sometimes this might be necessary. Let's say you drank something that is poisonous or harmful and then you made yourself vomit. Then we'll say to you, what you've done is perfectly fine and it is allowed, but you broke your fast. You have to make that day up, so this is perfectly fine. If, however, you were sick and you vomited and this was not from your own making, then that does not break your fast at all and you can continue fasting and Allah knows best.